Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Dealers here to bring a daily market bias video for Friday, August 26th. It's exactly 10 minutes after 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trading mainly higher with the exception of the Shanghai Exchange, which is trading lower fractionally at this particular point. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing as Europe is open trading. All Europe is trading to the downside with the exception of the London FTSE Exchange, which again is trading fractionally higher at this point. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading lower. The bonds are now trading lower as well. And the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading higher. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit. At 8:30 a.m. we have core PCE price index, good trade balance, personal income, personal spending, preliminary wholesale inventories. These are all pretty much major. But the real news of the day is going to be at 10 a.m. when the Fed Chair Powell speaks from the Jackson Hole Symposium. This is an annual, financial industry event, if you will, which is done typically every August. And I think right now what's happening is the markets are really going to be hanging on to what he says. I think that the direction-wise, that's really what's going to determine direction today. Is he going to be dovish? Is he going to be hawkish? Those are things I think that pundits and analysts are going to be looking at. Also at 10 a.m. we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major because they are revised numbers as opposed to preliminary. And there's always greater weight associated with preliminary as opposed to revised numbers. All this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias, we have the U.S. dollar trading lower. We have bonds trading lower. What we ought to be seeing is we ought to be seeing the indices flying if we were going to the upside. They are not. They're going lower. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open, which tells us that the market doesn't really have any sense of direction, if you will. And again, as I said previously, I think that what's going to determine direction today is going to be pretty much predicated upon whatever Fed Chair Powell says at the Jackson Hole Symposium, either dovish or hawkish. So time will tell in that regard. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.